सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम। स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम।
Hello everyone, let's introduce great personalities of India with English alphabet. A for APJ Abdul Kalam. He is known as Missile Man of India. He was 11th President of India. He was born on 15 October 1931 and died on 27 July 2015. B for Bhagat Singh. He was one of the India's greatest revolutionary freedom fighters. He was born on 28 September 1907 and died on 23rd March 1931. C for Chandrasekhar Azad. He was an Indian revolutionary leader and a freedom fighter. He was born on 23rd July 1906 and died on 27 February 1931. D for Dayananda Saraswati. He was the founder of Arya Samaj. He was born on 12 February 1824 and died on 30 October 1883.
E for Ishwari Bai. She was an Indian politician. She worked for the upliftment of backward classes. She was born on 1st December 1918 and died on 25th February 1991.
F for Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. He was an Indian lawyer and politician. He served as the 5th President of India. He was born on 13th May 1905 and died on 11th February 1977. G for Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He was born on 9th May 1866. He was an Indian liberal political leader and social reformer during Indian independence movement. He died on 19th February 1915.
Hansa Mehta. H for Hansa Mehta. Hansa Gibras Mehta. Born on 3rd July 1897 and died on 4th April 1995. Was a social activist, educator, independent activist, feminist and writer from India.
I for Ishwar Chandra Vidyasari. He is considered as the father of Bengali. He was an educator, social reformer and author. He died on 29 July 1891. J for Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and later the first Prime Minister of India. He was born in 14 November 1889 and died in 27 May 1964. K for Khudiram Bose. He was one of the youngest freedom fighters in the Indian independence movement. He was born on 3rd December 1889 and died on 11th August 1908. L for Lala Lajpat Rai. He was an Indian independence activist popularly known as the Lion of Punjab. He was born on 28 January 1865 and died on 17 November 1928. M for Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is popularly known as Bapu or Father of Nation. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 and died on 30th January 1948. Jai Hind.
And for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is popularly known as Netaji.
He was great freedom fighter. He was born on 23rd January 1897. His popular slogans are "Give me bread, I will give you freedom. Delhi chalo, Jai Hind."
O for Ottab Lakkal Neela Kandan Velu Group. He was a leader of All India Students Federation. He was born on 27th May 1931 and died on 13th February 2016. P for Prafulla Chaki. He was a revolutionary and a nationalist. He was born on 10th December 1888 and died on 2nd May 1908. Q for Queen Lakshmi Bai, born on 19 November 1888. She was one of the first women freedom fighters of India. She died on 18 June 1858. R for Rabindranath Tagore, born on 7 May 1861. He was the writer of our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. He died on 7 August 1941. S for Swami Vivekananda, born on 12 January 1863. His birthday is celebrated as National AIDS Day. He died on 4 July 1902. E for Tatya Tope, born on 16 February 1814. He was the Indian leader in the rebellion of 1857. He was hanged on 18 April 1859. U for Ulaskar Datta. He was born on 16th April 1885. He was a revolutionary freedom fighter of India. He was died on 17th May 1960. V for Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, also known as Veer Savarkar. He was born on 28 May 1833. He was a freedom fighter, political activist, writer. He was died on 26 February 1966. W for Umesh Chandra Banerjee was an Indian barrister born on 1844 at Calcutta. He was the co-founder and first president of Indian National Congress. X for Xavier Vasudev. He was known as father of Indian Armed Rebellion. He was born on 4th November 1845 and died on 17 February 1883. Y for Yusuf Meherali. He was an Indian freedom fighter. He was born on 23 September 1903 and died on 2nd July 1950. Z for Zakir Hussain Khan. He was the third president of India. He was born on 8 February 1897 and died on 3rd May 1969.